Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to turn off enable personalization on the application of REDnote. On iPhone, we click on REDnote app. In this page, you will click in the sign of you and you will enter. And above here, we click in this sign. Then you will click in this sign of settings and you will enter. After that, we click in this window of privacy settings. Here in this page, we click on personalization options. Then we click in this sign. Here you can click on continue like this. If the sign changes, then you can know how to turn off enable personalization on REDnote. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.